Most people in France are using digital wallets without understanding how much money they are actually losing in hidden fees, missed rewards, and inefficient payment choices. And the biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking every digital wallet works the same way. They don't. Some are just payment tools, some are banking apps, and a few actually help you save money, reduce fees, and improve financial control every single day. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, digital wallets in France are no longer just about convenience. They are full financial systems that decide how you spend, how you save, and even how much value you get back from your everyday purchases. And if you use them correctly, you can reduce fees, improve security, and sometimes even earn rewards without changing your lifestyle. In this video you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in France for 2026. But more importantly, you will understand exactly how each one works, when to use it, and how smart users combine them to maximize savings and efficiency. Now, here is something most beginners miss. There is no single perfect wallet in France. The real power comes from using the right tool for the right situation. Let's start immediately because the first one is already used by millions of people across France every single day. Number 1 is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely used digital wallets in France. You can use it in supermarkets, cafes, restaurants, metro stations in many cities, and almost all major retail stores that support contactless payment. But here is where most people get confused. Apple Pay itself does not give cashback or rewards. It is simply a secure payment method. The rewards depend entirely on the card linked to it. For example, Jake in Paris uses Apple Pay linked to his BNP Paribas debit card. Every time he taps his phone, the payment is instant and secure, but any benefits or cashback come from his bank, not Apple Pay. Now, here is the problem. Many users think Apple Pay is the reward system. It is not. It is only the payment layer. But here is where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is extremely powerful in France because it is widely accepted and very secure, especially for everyday contactless payments and transport systems. And in a minute, I will show you a wallet that actually gives direct savings and cashback-style benefits without needing a traditional credit card setup. Let's move to number 2, Google Wallet. Google Wallet is the main competitor to Apple Pay in France, especially for Android users. Just like Apple Pay, Google Wallet does not directly provide cashback. It stores your debit and credit cards and allows you to pay securely with your phone. For example, Sarah in Lyon links her Crédit Agricole and Société Générale cards to Google Wallet. Every time she pays, the transaction goes through her bank, and rewards depend on her card provider. But here's the catch. Google Wallet is only as powerful as the cards you connect. If your card has no rewards, you will not gain anything extra. Now here is where it gets interesting. Google Wallet allows you to switch between multiple cards quickly, which helps you optimize spending if you have different reward structures for groceries, transport, or dining. In a minute, I will show you a wallet in France that actually gives you direct savings without relying heavily on credit card rewards. Let's move to number 3, PayPal. PayPal is extremely popular in France for online shopping, especially on platforms like eBay, AliExpress, Vinted, and international websites. The biggest advantage of PayPal is security. You do not need to share your bank details with every website you shop from. Now here is where it becomes important. PayPal itself does not always give cashback in France, but it allows you to earn rewards through linked credit cards that already offer points or cashback. For example, John in Marseille shops online using PayPal linked to a reward credit card. He still earns points from his bank while enjoying PayPal's security. But here's the problem. PayPal is strongest online. It is not commonly used for in-store payments in France compared to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Now here is where it gets interesting. PayPal is best used as your online shopping protection layer, not your daily payment system. Let's move to number 4, Revolut. Revolut is extremely popular in France, especially among young professionals, students, and travelers. Revolut is not just a wallet. It is a full digital banking system that allows you to hold multiple currencies, track spending in real time, and manage budgets efficiently. For example, Alex in Paris uses Revolut when traveling across Europe. He avoids expensive currency conversion fees and tracks every expense instantly. Now here is where it gets interesting. Depending on your subscription plan, Revolut can also offer cashback-style rewards on selected purchases or partner merchants. But here is the catch. Many of the best features are locked behind paid plans. So Revolut is powerful, but not always free at the highest level. Let's move to number 5, Lydia. Lydia is one of the most popular fintech apps in France and is widely used for peer-to-peer payments and everyday money management. It allows users to send money instantly, split bills, and even use a virtual card for online and in-store payments. For example, Emma in Bordeaux uses Lydia to split restaurant bills with friends instantly, without cash or bank transfers. But here's the problem. Lydia is not heavily focused on cashback. Its strength is simplicity and convenience. Now here is where it gets interesting. Lydia is becoming more of a full digital wallet ecosystem in France, expanding into banking features and premium plans. Let's move to number 6, Zameria. Zameria is a newer digital banking evolution linked with Lydia, focused on providing more advanced financial features. It includes budgeting tools, savings options, and enhanced payment features. For example, David in Paris uses Zameria to manage his monthly expenses and separate savings from spending. But here is the catch. Like most French fintech systems, cashback is not the main focus. The focus is financial control. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Zameria is designed to replace traditional banking experiences with a mobile-first system. Let's move to number 7, BNP Paribas, and traditional bank apps. Major French banks like BNP Paribas, Crédit Agricole, Société Générale, and others all have mobile banking apps that integrate with digital wallets. These apps allow users to manage accounts, approve payments, and track spending. But here is the reality. Traditional banks in France do not focus heavily on cashback rewards. They focus on security and stability. For example, Lisa in Toulouse uses her bank app daily to monitor spending and approve transactions. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Traditional banking apps are still the backbone of financial life in France, even in 2026. Let's move to number 8, Apple Card alternatives through French credit cards. Now, Apple Card is not available in France, but users replicate similar benefits using credit cards like American Express France, BNP, Visa Premier, or Crédit Agricole Gold. When these are linked to Apple Pay or Google Wallet, users still earn points or cashback depending on the card. For example, Mike in Nice uses an Amex card linked to Apple Pay and earns rewards on travel and dining. But here is the problem. The wallet does not generate rewards. The credit card does. Now, here is where it gets interesting. In France, your financial rewards depend more on your banking products than your wallet apps. Let's move to number 9. Apple Cash alternatives like instant transfer systems. France does not have Apple Cash like the US, but instant transfer systems like Paylib are widely used. Paylib allows users to send money instantly between French bank accounts using just a phone number. For example, friends in Paris can split dinner bills instantly using Paylib without cash or cards. But here's the catch. Paylib does not offer cashback or rewards. Now here is where it gets interesting. Paylib is all about convenience, not earning. Finally, number 10, Samsung Wallet. Samsung Wallet is used by Samsung smartphone users in France and combines payments, loyalty cards, and secure access features. It allows contactless payments using stored cards and integrates with partner banks. But here is the reality. Samsung Wallet does not offer strong standalone cashback. It depends on linked bank cards and promotions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Samsung Wallet is best for convenience, not financial rewards. Now let's bring everything together because this is where most people finally understand the real system. There is no single best digital wallet in France. Each one serves a different purpose. Apple Pay is best for fast, contactless payments. Google Wallet is best for Android users and card flexibility. PayPal is best for online shopping security. Revolut is best for travel and multi-currency use. Lydia and Zameria are best for peer-to-peer and modern banking. Traditional bank apps are best for account control and security. Credit cards provide the real cashback and rewards layer. Paylib is best for instant transfers. Samsung Wallet is best for Samsung ecosystem users. But here is the biggest mistake people make. They try to use one app for everything. That is exactly why they miss savings, rewards, and efficiency. Now here's the smart strategy in 2026. Use Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily spending. Use PayPal for online shopping. Use Revolut for travel and international spending. Use Lydia or Sumeria for local money management. Use credit cards for cashback optimization. Use Paylib for instant transfers. This is how smart users in France build a complete financial system instead of relying on one wallet. And here is the final insight most people never realize. Digital wallets are not just payment tools. They are financial control systems that determine how efficiently you use your money every day. Every fee avoided, every optimized payment, and every smart transaction adds up over time. Now, let's quickly summarize. Apple Pay and Google Wallet provide convenience. PayPal provides online security. Revolut provides global flexibility. Lydia and Sumeria provide modern banking. Credit cards provide cashback rewards. Paylib provides instant transfers. Samsung Wallet provides ecosystem convenience. If you combine them correctly, you are not just using apps anymore. You are building a complete financial strategy. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment your favorite wallet in France, and subscribe because the next video will show you how Europeans are stacking credit cards with digital wallets to maximize cashback legally, without changing their lifestyle.